Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change an EGR valve on a Chrysler Town and Country. First, gather your tools, including a new EGR valve, wrenches, and sockets. Safety is paramount, so ensure your engine is completely cool before you begin. Always disconnect the negative battery cable to prevent electrical issues during the repair. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now, locate the EGR valve on your engine, usually found on the intake manifold. It might be a bit tucked away, so take your time. Gently disconnect any electrical connectors and vacuum lines attached to the valve. Be careful not to damage them. Then, use the appropriate wrench or socket to unbolt the old EGR valve from its mounting surface. Keep track of all hardware. Before installing the new valve, thoroughly clean the mounting surface on the engine to ensure a good seal. Place the new gasket onto the mounting surface, then carefully position the new EGR valve. Hand tighten the mounting bolts first, then use your wrench to tighten them to the manufacturer's recommended torque specifications. This prevents leaks and ensures proper function. With the new EGR valve installed, reconnect all electrical connectors and vacuum lines that you previously detached. Double-check that everything is securely fastened. Finally, reattach the negative battery terminal. Start your engine and listen for any unusual noises or check for dashboard warning lights. Remember to check the description for a link to those leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Test drive your vehicle to confirm proper operation and enjoy your newly functioning EGR system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.